everyone, this is Jet here from Clinical Research and Tea with Jet. And continuing with our series on how to stay healthy, I wanted to highlight some articles I read from the New York Times. Chicken breasts or chickpeas? Which one is better for your health? Today we're breaking down the science behind these two staples to help you decide how to best fuel your body. According to recent New York Times articles, both are nutrition powerhouses that bring different benefits to the table. Protein is the main building blocks for our body, which contributes to repairing cells, building muscles, and making disease-fighting antibodies, while also producing enzymes that helps to keep the system running. Chicken breast is a top choice for lean protein, offering around 32 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce servings and 160 calories. That adds up to almost half of a daily recommended amount for an average adult of 185 pounds. It is also low in saturated fat and contains essential nutrients and vitamins. These helpful vitamins include B3 or niacin, which is half of the recommended daily amount. B6 is essential for brain health, and chicken contains more than 70% of the recommended daily amount. These two vitamins help make dopamine, serotonin, and melatonin that regulate mood, sleep, attention, memory, learning, and processing information and words. They are also needed for DNA production and turning food into energy. Chicken thighs or drumsticks, which are known as dark meat, are considered fattier. However, they have higher levels of B12, iron, and zinc. Substituting chicken for red meat and processed meats has a known reduced risk for heart disease. It contains two types of fats that support heart health, oleic and linoleic acids. There are also two types of fatty acids found in most oils. Oleic acid is considered a monounsaturated fatty acid, also found in olive oil, and linoleic acid is a polyunsaturated fatty acid that must be obtained through diets like sunflower oil. Now let's look at chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Chickpeas are rich in complex carbohydrates and provide about 15 grams of protein and 12 grams of fiber per cooked cup. They also deliver a wide array of nutrients, including folate, magnesium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients support brain function, nerve signaling, oxygen transport, and heart health. They lower risk for cardiovascular disease, obesity, high blood pressure, and other types of chronic conditions. Iron is a mineral that the body uses to transport oxygen through the body. Chickpeas contain about 60% of recommended daily amount for most adults. It's only 25% for women who are menstruating. Iron consumption from plant-based meals is absorbed less in the body than from meat, so it's recommended to add vitamin C to help with iron absorption. Chickpeas have a high folate content as well, which is important for cell replication. It is essentially important to help support the rapid growth of the fetus during pregnancy. Because chickpeas are relatively low in at least one of the essential amino acids, this means they are an incomplete source of proteins. Eating chickpeas with whole grains will help provide enough amino acids needed. For example, eating chickpea stew with a recommendation of a slice of crusty whole wheat bread or eating some hummus on a whole grain tortilla should do the trick. So how do you decide which to eat more often? If you're looking for a low-fat, complete animal protein that's quick to prepare, chicken breast is a great option. On the other hand, chickpeas offer additional fiber and plant-based benefits, making them ideal for heart health and digestion. Combining both in your diet can help you meet your nutrient needs while enjoying variety. For recipes on how to prepare meals with either of these two ingredients, check out the New York Times articles. I will post them down below in the description. Both chicken breast and chickpeas are nutritious, affordable, and accessible. Whether you're omnivorous, vegetarian, or simply trying to eat better, these two protein sources provide plenty of health perks backed by science. Rotate them through your meals to take full advantage of their unique nutritional profiles. Thanks for joining me on this protein-packed deep dive. If you have any nutritious recipes you'd like to share with us, please leave them down below in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and join me again on Clinical Research and Tea with Jet, where we spill the science one sip at a time. And as always, please have a cup of tea for me. Until next time.